In this video, I'm going to show you how can you connect your already existing hosting or GoDaddy domains to your Cloudflare account. The reason why you want to choose and shift your current domains and connect it to your Cloudflare account is because we have by far seen that Cloudflare is one of the most secure registrars possible, as well as it's one of the fastest as well. Because you see if other domain registrars, right, have a lot to do. They have a lot of propagation time and they're kind of slow and takes time in order to get things running across the world. However, when you come to Cloudflare, it is not only one of the fastest, but that's its primary role. Like it gets things faster. It connects your domain to a hosting provider or to your funnels or website or wherever you want to your email provider faster and in a more secure and reliable format. And that's probably the reason why, as a website and funnel design agency, we have been suggesting all our clients in order to shift from any other provider that they have in terms of domains to connect it. Even if you cannot shift it, you can just simply connect it and that's just work. You do not have to pay anything extra on a Cloudflare. You can use a free plan and simply just send it over and connect it. And after that, you get a lot of the benefits which you probably would not be getting in your current domain provider. So in this video, I'm just going to show you exactly the same process. So make sure that you watch it till the end because you're going to enjoy it and follow it through. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a simple, free account on Cloudflare. It's pretty easy to do. You'll probably need an email and password to do it, and they're also verified. So make sure that you can verify. You can verify your Cloudflare account. So once that is done, right, you will need to have one domain. You can actually buy a domain from here, which is on the Cloudflare itself. You can click on register domain, and then you can search the domain that you're looking for, and you can actually buy it from here. Else, you can have your domain which is already in your existing domain registrar. From in this case of the video, it is going to be Hostinger. However, make sure and try to understand that this is the steps that we are going to follow is going to be very similar to any other host or domain provider, whether it's Hostinger, whether it's GoDaddy, whether it's Google domains or any other domain provider for the fact, right? And I'm going to show you how to do it. For example, as you can see, we already have pritam.com, but we have already have it, registered and connected to our Cloudflare account with pritam.com, right? Now we're going to do and create and add basically ghltemplateshop.com and connect it directly to our Cloudflare account. And I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to come on your Cloudflare account and click on add a site. Once you click on add a site, it's going to ask you to, hey, you can now enter your domain name. So you can just go back to your domain register, wherever the domain is, right? And then just copy the domain, okay? Once you copy the domain, you just need to paste it here, right? Example, as you can see, templateshop.com, and then click on continue. So once you continue with this, it's going to give you with details that based on which plans that you want to proceed forward. It has a $20 plan, $200 plan, also an enterprise plan. But for this video, we are not going to use it. We just want to use the free support plan. And actually, this is also suitable even. And in this plan, you can add multiple domains, and it's very fast. As you can see here, it's fast, easy to use DNS, and it's actually very fast in propagating your domains across the entire world and has a very good uptime as well. So I'm just going to click and proceed forward with clicking free, and I'll continue with that. So as we proceed forward, we will have to now further, add the name servers and all of those details to connect it forwards. Okay. Cool. So in now currently it's scanning, the DNS records, whether there are any existing DNS records or not. So as you can see in this case, it's asking that you have some DNS records like this, which came in already, right? So what we need to do now is we need to just give them the permission to proceed forward. Apart from that, there's nothing else required. So you can just click on continue. Okay, cool. Now what you need to do is you need to connect your name servers that is already provided here in Cloudflare. As you can see here, these are the name servers which are being provided, and you need to connect it to your hosting account where your current domain is. So we'll just copy it, which is the first name server. So we already have like two name servers. I'm going to connect them here. Now here, what you need to do is you need to go to your domains. So if you just go to your domains where you will be able to see all your domains, then you have to click on manage domain. Once you click on manage domain, you have to go to their name server. So if you go to the left hand side, so this is on hosting on Godaddy and other platforms, you will see them on the top, and basically which is a place where that will be clearly visible. So it could be DNS or name servers. So click in there. As you can see here on the top, it's already says name server. So these name servers are for your existing domain provider, which is Hostinger or GoDaddy or any other platform. Now you're going to click on change name servers. So what name servers are basically is that these are special records, which is going to connect it to your particular other account. So for this account, if you want your domain to connect it to this account, then you have to click on this specified name servers. So I'm going to click on change name servers, and then instead of these, I'm just going to add that. And then I'm going to click on the second one and proceed forward to add that as well. So now I have two name servers, which is from Cloudflare, and now I've already added them. I'm going to click on save. Cool. So name servers change organ notification. Your name servers has been changed to this and this. It might take us 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name servers, which is obvious, but I'm sure that it's going to take much lesser time. Let's close this up. Let's go back to your Cloudflare account. So we already added all of these. Let's click on continue and proceed forward. Okay, now it's going to give you a few steps that you have to process, and for example, improve security, optimize performance, and summary. And I'm going to take you through all these three steps. So click on get started. Okay, here automatic HTTPS, that's yes, we want it. Click on save. Then here always use HTTPS. HTTPS is basically to have a secure server. So make sure that you always turn this on. Once it's on, you can click on save. Cool. And then you have this one, Rotary. Make sure this is also on and click on save. Awesome. So we have already on all of these things. Now click on finish. As you can see here, right, that it says we already have ghltemplateshop.com on Cloudflare, and it says ghltemplate.com shop.com is not active on the Cloudflare. This is going to take some time in order for us to proceed forward. So let's wait for some time and see when it gets done, and I'll report you back on this. Awesome, guys. So what I had to do was I just waited for like few minutes. So it's been almost just 3 minutes, right? And as you can see here, it shows great news. Cloudflare is now protecting your site, which basically means that ghltemplateshop.com, this domain that we got from Hostinger, is now securely connected to your Cloudflare account. I hope that helps, right? In order to verify that, you can always go back to your Cloudflare account, go on the top, and then you should be able to see that both the domains are active. So yeah, as you can see, just transferred this domain and ghltemplateshop.com is now already active, which is amazing, right? So from now on onwards, right, Cloudflare is basically going to secure, protect our domain from hefty hacks and any kind of issues that it might have. Okay, I hope that you like this video because I'm going to have some more videos as well. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll look forward to you soon.